Some BMW SUVs can easily reach 200,000 miles with proper maintenance, while others can turn into expensive headaches long before that. The problem is that they often look just as desirable on the used market, making it difficult to know which ones are actually worth your money. In this video, we're breaking down the 3 worst and 4 best BMW X-Series models to own in 2026. We'll cover the engines that have proven themselves over time, the models known for costly repairs, and the SUVs that offer the best balance of reliability, performance, and long-term value. Because when it comes to BMW ownership, the difference between a smart purchase and a financial mistake often comes down to understanding what's under the hood. So before you buy your next BMW SUV, stick around because some of the models on this list might surprise you. Let's start with the ones you should avoid. Starting off the list at number 3 is the BMW XM. And while it might be one of the most powerful SUVs BMW has ever built, it's also one of the hardest to justify. On paper, it sounds incredible. You get a twin-turbocharged V8 paired with a plug-in hybrid system, massive horsepower, aggressive styling, and a price tag that places it among the most exclusive vehicles in BMW's lineup. But that's exactly where the problem begins. For the money, the XM simply doesn't offer the value buyers expect. Despite its impressive performance, many owners and reviewers have criticized its ride quality, excessive weight, and confusing identity. It's not as comfortable as a luxury SUV should be, yet it doesn't feel as sharp or engaging as a true performance model either. Even more concerning is the long-term ownership outlook. The combination of a highly complex hybrid system, advanced electronics, and a twin-turbo V8 means potential repair costs could become extremely expensive once the warranty expires. When you consider that other BMW SUVs deliver a similar driving experience for significantly less money, the XM starts to look less like a flagship and more like an expensive experiment. If you're shopping for a BMW SUV in 2026, there are simply smarter places to spend your money. Coming in at number 2 are the BMW X5, X6, and X7 models, equipped with the N63 twin-turbo V8, particularly the older generations. These SUVs can be incredibly tempting because they offer impressive power, premium features, and surprisingly affordable prices on the used market. At first glance, they seem like a bargain. But for many owners, that bargain quickly turns into a series of expensive repair bills. The N63 has developed a reputation for issues involving timing chains, valve stem seals, oil consumption, turbocharger-related problems, and excessive heat management concerns. And the engine isn't always the only expense. Many of these SUVs are also equipped with complex air suspension systems and aging electronics that can add thousands of dollars in unexpected repairs. That's what makes them so risky. You might find a clean example at an attractive price, only to discover that maintenance costs can easily exceed what you saved on the purchase. While the performance is undeniably impressive, owning one outside of warranty requires a healthy repair budget and a willingness to deal with potential surprises. If your goal is dependable long-term ownership, there are far safer BMW SUVs to choose from. The number 1 spot on the worst list goes to certain BMW X5 model years that have earned a reputation for becoming costly ownership experiences. In particular, the 2011, 2013, and 2015 model years are the ones many buyers should approach with caution. The reason isn't tied to just one engine or a single defect. These vehicles were affected by a combination of issues ranging from drivetrain problems and suspension failures to electrical gremlins and expensive repair-prone components that tend to appear as mileage climbs. The biggest trap is that these SUVs often look like incredible deals on the used market. You see a luxury BMW SUV selling for a fraction of its original price, and it feels like you're getting premium value for bargain money. Unfortunately, that's not always the case. A low purchase price can quickly be offset by transfer case repairs, suspension work, cooling system failures, and other costly maintenance items. That's why many experienced BMW owners recommend targeting newer, updated model years instead. While these X5s may seem affordable up front, they can easily become some of the most expensive BMW SUVs to own over the long run. Kicking off the best side of the list is the BMW X1, particularly the later F48 models and the current U11 generation. This is the SUV for buyers who want the BMW driving experience without taking on the ownership costs that often come with larger and more complex models. Under the hood, the X1 is powered by BMW's proven B48 turbocharged four-cylinder engine, an engine that has built a strong reputation for reliability when properly maintained. Its lighter weight, simpler design, and lower overall complexity make it significantly less expensive to own than an X5 or X7. Maintenance costs tend to be more manageable. Fuel economy is excellent for a luxury SUV, and you still get the premium interior, technology, and driving dynamics that attract people to the BMW brand in the first place. Like any modern BMW, it's not completely free of potential issues, but compared to many other models in the X-Series lineup, the X1 stands out as one of the safest and smartest long-term purchases. If you're looking for a practical luxury SUV that delivers a genuine BMW experience without the fear of massive repair bills, the X1 deserves a serious look. Next up is the BMW X5 xDrive 50e, a model that proves you don't have to sacrifice luxury or performance to gain efficiency. For many buyers, this plug-in hybrid version of the X5 may actually be the smartest choice in the entire lineup. It combines BMW's well-regarded turbocharged inline-six engine with an electric motor, creating a system that delivers strong acceleration while dramatically reducing fuel consumption for drivers who can charge regularly. What makes the 50e so appealing is that it retains everything people already love about the X5. You still get a spacious and upscale interior, excellent ride quality, advanced technology, and the confident road manners that have made the X5 one of BMW's most successful SUVs. At the same time, the ability to handle many daily commutes on electric power alone can significantly lower running costs. While the added hybrid components do introduce more complexity compared to a traditional gasoline model, owners who take advantage of the charging capability are often rewarded with a more efficient and surprisingly versatile luxury SUV. For drivers who want premium comfort without constantly stopping at the gas station, the X5 xDrive 50e is an easy recommendation. Taking the number 2 spot is the BMW X3 M40i, along with the newer X3 M50. For many BMW enthusiasts, this is the sweet spot of the entire X-Series lineup. It delivers performance that's remarkably close to a full M model, but without the higher ownership costs and added complexity that often come with BMW's most extreme performance vehicles. The biggest reason for its reputation is what's under the hood, the B58 turbocharged inline-six engine. Over the years, this powertrain has earned widespread praise for its combination of strong performance, smooth power delivery, and impressive long-term reliability. Paired with BMW's excellent 8-speed automatic transmission, it creates a driving experience that feels quick, refined, and effortless in almost every situation. Beyond the performance, the X3 strikes an ideal balance between practicality and driving enjoyment. It's spacious enough for daily use, comfortable enough for long trips, and still delivers the sporty character that many buyers expect from a BMW. While routine maintenance remains important, the X3 M40i has proven to be one of the safest choices for buyers who want a luxury SUV that's both exciting and dependable. If you're looking for an X-Series model that can do almost everything well, this is one of the strongest options available. Taking the top spot on this list is the BMW X5 xDrive 40i, a model that many owners and BMW specialists consider the smartest SUV in the entire X-Series lineup. If your goal is to enjoy the luxury, comfort, and performance that BMW is known for without taking on unnecessary risk, this is the model that consistently rises to the top. The biggest reason is the powertrain. Under the hood is BMW's highly respected B58 turbocharged inline-six engine, paired with the smooth and proven 8-speed automatic transmission. Together, they create a combination that delivers strong performance, impressive refinement, and a reputation for reliability that few modern luxury SUVs can match. The X5 xDrive 40i also excels as an everyday vehicle. It offers a quiet and comfortable cabin, plenty of passenger and cargo space, advanced technology, and the kind of ride quality that makes long trips effortless. Unlike the more powerful V8 models, it avoids much of the complexity and long-term expense that can make ownership stressful after the warranty expires. No BMW is completely maintenance-free, but compared to many alternatives in the luxury SUV segment, the X5 xDrive 40i strikes an outstanding balance between performance, comfort, and dependability. If you're planning to keep your BMW for years rather than just a lease cycle, this is the X-Series model that makes the strongest case for itself. Simply put, if you could only choose one BMW SUV from this list, the X5 xDrive 40i would be the smartest place to put your money. Taking the top spot is the BMW X5 xDrive 40i. For many buyers, this is the smartest SUV BMW currently offers because it delivers the best balance of performance, comfort, and long-term reliability. Powered by the highly respected B58 turbocharged inline-six engine and paired with BMW's proven 8-speed automatic transmission, the X5 40i has earned a reputation as one of the safest choices in the entire X-Series lineup. It offers luxury, technology, and everyday practicality, without the added complexity and ownership costs that often come with the V8 models. If you're looking for one BMW SUV to own well beyond the warranty period, the X5 xDrive 40i is the model that makes the strongest case for itself.